Have you ever been in the middle of coding only to be interrupted by an unexpected error? It can be incredibly frustrating, right? If you're facing the Jedi's connection exception, unexpected end-of-stream error, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle this issue together. I completely understand how annoying it is when you're trying to perform a simple operation and suddenly an error pops up. You're not alone in this. Many developers encounter this issue while working with Redis and Jedis. Let's take a closer look at the specific situation. One user recently reported, "I am trying to perform the rpush operation and encountered the Jedi's connection exception, unexpected end-of-stream error." Sound familiar? If so, let's dive into the details and find a solution. So what does this error mean? The unexpected end-of-stream message typically indicates that the connection to the Redis server was lost unexpectedly. This can happen for various reasons, such as network issues or server configuration problems. Don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that can help you avoid this error in the future. To resolve the Jedi's connection exception, the user should first check the Redis server status. It's important to ensure that the Redis server is running properly. Next, the user should verify the connection settings in their application. This includes checking the host and port configuration to ensure they match the Redis server settings. The user should also consider network issues. If the Redis server is hosted remotely, they need to ensure that there are no firewall rules blocking the connection. Additionally, the user should review the Redis server logs for any errors or warnings that might indicate why the connection is failing. Finally, if the issue persists, the user may want to increase the timeout settings in their Jedi's configuration to allow for longer connection attempts. Fun fact, Redis is known for its speed and efficiency, but even the fastest systems can experience hiccups. It's all part of the game. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests that the error may be caused by the server's timeout settings. If the timeout is set to a non-zero value, the connection can be closed after a period, leading to invalid connections from the client pool. By setting the server timeout to 0, or configuring the client to avoid keeping idle connections, you can prevent the unexpected end-of-stream error. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative solution from another user suggests confirming the version of Jedis you are using, as they suspect it might be 2.9.0. They also mention that previous versions of Jedis had similar issues related to timeout configurations. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution shared by another user involves checking your Redis server status. They suggest using the Redis CLI to ping the server. If you receive a pong response, your server is functioning correctly. However, if you see connection reset by peer, you may need to adjust your server's binding address. The user found success by changing the bind address in the Redis configuration file to 0.00.0. They provided a sample configuration and steps to run the Redis server using Docker, ensuring the correct setup for the client connection. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly monitor your Redis server and network health. This proactive approach can save you from unexpected errors down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the Jedi's connection exception, unexpected end-of-stream error. Remember, staying proactive is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips, and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into Redis optimization.